Yeah, no, I got the lock on. Yeah, I've been switching it to whenever I can to the scale sound system speakers too. And I'm going to mute on the side. Well, you saw that, right? You saw them all through the rails too. Oh, really? Yeah. And that's what I was going to make one of those calls at the end. I was going to make that last week. So you know what happened, man. Because he told me the story. It's kind of funny. Good stuff. You're bouncing around in the truck.